was just looking for a bird, but I found this beautiful bird in its bed. Hello. Nighty night. Sleep tight. Nighty night.